We look at the last question, question 3. So notice how it's also a product of two functions, polynomial x squared and then a square root. But simplify it first, change the square root to power half. Okay, now I'm ready for differentiation with product rule. Differentiate the first, keep the second, plus differentiate the second, keep the first. Let's simplify this further. I will combine my 3 times half, give me 3 over 2. And now I notice that there is a common factor, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 with different powers. I can do factorization. Who can I factorize out? I should factorize out the lower power. So, factorize out lower power, and I also realize that there's a 3 over 2. I should factorize out that annoying fraction, 1 over 2. Now I'll put everything back into the other box. When you have this, I am going to express into positive index. Okay, bring it down. Also bring the half down. From part 1, what I can write is, if I integrate this, number 2, you get back my number 1. Now I see whether I'm missing anything. From my question, what is the difference between these two? Notice how plus 7 is the difference? Plus 7 over the denominator. I should include that on both sides. Why I'm doing this is so that I can create the plus 7. I can get back what I want the question would want me to find. Now all is left is to integrate here. And before I integrate, please simplify and convert it to index form. Okay, now I'm ready to integrate this. Remember, copy the term. Power plus 1, divide by new power, divide by coefficient of x. And if you really want to put a plus c, you can go ahead and put a plus c1 to differentiate the constant. Eventually, these two constants will still add up to a constant. So what is my final answer? Both these answers in blue are acceptable, but of course, I prefer if you can factorize out the common factor. So I'm done with this question.